To install an Xfinity Doorbell camera, you don't need a technician. You can do it yourself by following a few simple steps. Start by removing the old doorbell and its wiring. Then take off the metal trim plate on your Xfinity video doorbell to determine the type of bracket you need. Choose a bracket that provides the best view and install it accordingly. The type of wall you're attaching the doorbell camera to is also important. For wood or vinyl walls, drill through the center of the bracket, while for plaster, stone, or brick, use wall anchors. Next, connect the doorbell wires to your new video doorbell. Set the doorbell to the bracket and place the wires behind the wall. Secure the bracket to the wall by fastening the screws at the top, making sure there are no gaps between the bracket and the wall. Finally, replace the metal plate and snap the trim plate into place. Once everything is installed, turn the power back on and restore the circuit breaker and power supply. With these steps, you should be able to successfully install an Xfinity doorbell camera on your own.